To change your authenticate email on your Cake application. Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. So today I will show you how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So first guys, you have to open your Cake application, of course, and then you have to come here to your profile. On your profile, come to settings icon. I don't know why they. Then when you open settings, sorry guys, because they show me some advertisement. Come to here, click, and you have to change by, for example, you will add a new email and click authenticate email. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.